Hey, welcome back to the print house, guys. I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how I set up for lightbox mode or sandwich mode, printing with the HP R2000 Plus. And what this will do is we're going to print these color graphics on clear. So you're going to print color, white, and color, and it's like a 72 pass process. But that way you get two double print on there with a white in between if you're printing on clear. So the way I use, this is how we set them up. This is how we would normally do it. So you just have your graphics regular. We use Corel or Illustrator, whatever, but we do Corel mostly. And so right now I got 4 of these, and I'm going to send, and I'll go ahead and just go through the process here. So we usually, you could do EPS or TIFF. It doesn't really matter, but we do a lot of stuff at PDF 4. So we're just going to go ahead and export. And the way we have our print server set up for our R2000, we have already preset folders here for each of our substrates. So ACM, banner, certain Chicago jobs we do, Lamb, Control Text, Sandwich, Sintra, UltraWord, so on. So we're going to put this one in the Sandwich folder. Okay, so we're gonna call it. We're just gonna call it test. And this is what I do. This is how we do it normally. Okay, so now we go ahead and export it. Dialog's gonna come up. Just make sure you're at PDF 4, like that. Send it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and enter my remote desktop for my print server. So here you are. So now we're in Thrive, and I'll show you. We're in, this is Onyx Thrive RIP, that's what I use. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and open up, after it's done ripping. It's ripping a little bit. So now we're gonna open up this file, but if you see under the columns, we have it set at trans white and 600 DPI lightbox mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and now that it's done ripping, I'm going to go ahead and open up it in job editor. So here we are in job editor. This is Thrive job editor. So what the green is representing a full flood on the white. So usually you can go to the preview and size mode, and this will give you the layout of it. Now we want to go under color correction, and under color correction up here you want to go to tools and then go down the spot layer tool like that. This is where we would select how we want our white to print on this image. So in this case, we'll leave it on white, obviously, and then instead of a flood fill, we're going to do a fill image area only, and I'll watch, you'll see what happens. It's just going to put white under the print portion of the image. So if you wanted to do a full page white, you would just do flood like that. So everything would be white, and then your color would be on yellow, but you don't want to waste your white on that stuff. So we'll go ahead and go back to fill image area. Now that's it for that. Now we go under the print tab up here. Everything loads up again the way we want it, and we're good. So now we're just going to go ahead and hit submit. Now it goes back to rip. It's going to rip again. It's almost done. So and then from here in our queue, we just send it right to the printer PC from here. That's all we would do. So, and that's what I'm printing now. So let me pause and show you. So we're on our R2000 now. So you can see the image right here. We're about a third of the way down. If you look close, you can see the print, then the white, and then the print again on top of it. And it's like a 72 pass process. Hold on. All right, so you see it coming out. This is clear 3M media. So to get a good color profile on these Lexan faces, or not Lexan, but acrylic faces, you're using the clear. And then, like I said, the print, the color, the white, and then the color on top. So that's how I set up for flood fill, or image fill running white on the HP R2000 Plus. So, and I'm just running this right off the table. I'm not even running the felt. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to show that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. And again, we'll see you in the next one, guys. See ya.